Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. So today we are going to see how to create a tree map in VBA Excel with simple lines of code. So let's get started. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. If you have any doubts, please do comment, and if you have any new ideas, please do comment and like and share our video for further amazing visual tutorials. So let's get started. So over here, this is the dataset we have to create a tree map in VBA Excel. So which goes the data is segregated into a category, subcategory, and the value of the category and subcategory. Now let's see how our tree map looks after running the VBA code to create a tree map. See, as you can see, this is our tree map in VBA Excel. Now let's dive into the VBA code and understand how we can create by writing simple lines of code in VBA and create the amazing tree map and many more visuals. Let's dive into the VBA code now. So here is the Visual Basic Applications editor, and this is the code to create a tree map and the sub procedure to create the tree map. Now first we are selecting any cell inside our data, which is range d7.select, which is over here. And after selecting any cell inside our data, we are going to create the chart object first. So it will be active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and we are going to give a particular value. So each and every chart has their own value for creating their chart. So if you see, for bar chart, clustered bar chart, pie chart, bar of pie chart, etc., have different types of different value to create. So first we are giving the value to create a tree map, then we are defining the type that hey, we want to create a tree map after this. Now we are letting VBA to know that okay, this should be the position where we have to place our tree map. So after creating a canvas, so this is what you create, and this is how you create the tree map. And after creating that, you will be selecting your chart. Now after selecting your chart, we will use the with statement, which will be written as with active chart dot set element in the bracket MSO element data label show. So this will show the data, this will label your tree map over here. As you can see, this is category 2, 3. So these are the labels which have created inside your chart. And dot has title equal to true, and dot chart title dot text equal to your chart title name. So this will be your chart title name. So you can give whatever name you want to give for your chart. And now we are doing some operations with using the with statement with the chart title. So what we are doing, we are using the with statement to format the chart title. So first what we are saying is with dot chart title dot format dot text frame to dot text range. So this is going to get this range of so as you have seen that you have already given your chart title, so it will take your chart title first and then it will use the dot paragraph format function dot alignment. So these are the two functions will be used to align your chart title. Now after aligning, so this MSO align center will be aligning your title in the center. Now dot font and dot font dot bold equal to true. This will bold your title and this below code will automatically italic your title. So that will be dot font dot italic equal to true. Now remember, when you're using the which statement, you can create organized and well structured code like this and in a readable format. Now after over here till here writing this code, you have created your tree map in VBA. Now after creating it, there will be an application bar open after creating the tree map. So you have to close that. For that you have to write this particular line of code which says application.command command bars format object dot visible equal to false. So it will close the format object bar which was used in the time of creating the tree map. And then to deselect your chart, you have to select any blank cell in your worksheet. That's it. That's how you will be able to create a tree map in few lines of code in VBA. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel BPO Coder, like, and if you have any new ideas to create a chart or a better way to create the chart, please do comment your ideas and please do comment what next video should I create in the VBA chart and bar series, in the data visualization series. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We will meet in the next video. Bye.